It's a 2016 Cadillac ATS Sedan, blending power, response, and expression into an extraordinary sports sedan. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, inline 4-cylinder engine, sports suspension, Cadillac Q external memory control, leather bucket seats, rear-wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. Canadian Driver reports, the steering feels responsive and is second to none in its class. Yes, it is just that good. The car grips in the corners better than a compact luxury sedan should, and felt very neutral when I was tossing it around the handling course. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.